Hi, Mindshifters. Hello. I am taking a break. I am cleaning, and I decided I wanted to take a cookie break. So we are going to make chocolate chip walnut cookies. It's going to be fast, quick, and easy. So I am going to have the camera over my bowl so you can see all of my ingredients. I may narrate, it depends. I hope you're having a wonderful day, night, or morning. And let's get started. So we are starting with some butter, and I just kind of put it on the stove just for a minute. We are going to mix some xylitol. This is a half a cup. We are going to mix this up for a little bit, okay? Okay, we are going to add 1 egg. And mix. We are adding 1½ cups of almond flour. We're adding 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we are going to mix. Also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are adding 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Ooh, this is a consistency. There we go. And I chopped 1/2 cup of almonds. We are going to take a spatula. We're going to kind of like, got our nice cookie dough. Mix that up really well. Ooh, that smells good, guys. It smells good. Guys, I've also added in just a little bit of gelatin powder. I should have added it earlier, and I just remembered. I'm just going to take a little bit of scoop of this, kind of sprinkle it all over. Yes. Okay. I am just going to start putting cookies on the cookie sheet. And I'm probably just going to use a spoon, guys. The batter is nice. I preheated the oven to 350. Oh yeah, that smells good. I'm just taking a scoop out of the batter, and some are big, some are kind of chunky. Fit as many as I can on the cookie sheet. And we are going to bake for about I'm gonna bake for about, I guess, anywhere between 12 and 14 minutes, or 15 minutes maybe, depending. See? Okay. So I'm going to put these in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, depending. I kind of made some of them quite large. So I got 17. I probably could have stretched this to 22. All right. I will see you in a little. So Chewy,